Hi folks, this is Jill from BoomerTech Adventures, and I want to share with you in this very short video something I just discovered. I wasn't paying much attention to what I was doing, and I put my thumb on my iPad screen, and look what happened. They all start to dance. Now, you probably know that the X, if you want to delete the app, that's where you would tap. So let me demonstrate that. So I'm going to tap right here, the X. Do I want to delete this bookmark? Yes. All right. Now to stop it, of course, all I need to do is hit the home button. But do you also know that you can make folders once your apps start to dance and wiggle? So let me show you. I'm going to touch the screen again. There they go. And I can slide the different icons on top of each other, and I have created a folder. And so then I can change it. I don't want to call it just bookmarks, so I'm going to tap there and delete, and I'm going to call it Essential Tips. TIPS. Okay, I'm going to tap done. Going to tap the home button. Going to tap the screen very quickly, and now I have a folder called Essential Tips. So once again, a long press with your finger on your iPad screen will start them dancing, and you can delete the icons or the apps or the bookmarks you've made, or you can turn them into a folder. That's it for tonight. I'm going to tap again and they stop, or I could have hit the home button. So stay tuned for another quick tip later this week. Bye for now.